Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, braking assist, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.